Yeah, me say no man, them for no say Chinese I represent for destination Jamaica, you know. Make them know them can't destination. Kawa, destination of the best channel, and it a beat, not them ears load like channel. A C to the A to the N and E with one L. Put it in a every speaker, pan every panel. Oh yeah man, just go and like and subscribe and share the thing man. Yeah.
From the legendary Sister Nancy to the captivating Tanya Stevens, these extraordinary women have shattered stereotypes, challenged norms, and commanded the stage with their fierce talent and empowering lyrics. Through their music, they have become beacons of musical prowess, inspiring generations of aspiring artists around the globe. This video briefly speaks about each First Lady of Dancehall. 5. Shelley Thunder. Michelle Harrison Timmel, known as Shelley Thunder, was born on February 23 in Kingston, Jamaica. After attending Harborview Primary and Excelsior High Schools, she moved to New York City in 1980. Shelley, initially known as a tomboy, started her DJing career in 1985 and quickly rose to success with her debut single, Shock Am I a Shock, which reached #1 on the US reggae charts. She continued to dominate the reggae charts with hits like Small Horsewoman, 85 Vision, and Man a Rush Me. In 1988, she wrote the dancehall anthem, Cuff. Catapulted her to international fame alongside artists like Shabba Ranks and Super Cat, appealing to both women's rights advocates and admirers of her fierce persona. Shelley signed with Island Records and achieved further success with her album, Fresh Out the Pack, featuring popular singles like Working Girl and Break Up to Make Up. Despite her rising fame and success, Shelley Thunder felt unfulfilled and began attending church in 1994. Convicted by the Holy Spirit, she committed herself to Christ in 1995, leading to a significant transformation in her life. Finding a new sense of purpose, she embraced her Christian faith and left behind her dancehall queen image. Alongside her spiritual journey, Shelley discovered her talent for acting, following in the footsteps of her brother, Stafford Ashani Harrison, a renowned Jamaican actor and playwright. She showcased her acting skills in productions such as Obi a Wedding, Undercover Lover, Man Smart, Woman Smarter, and Basil Dawkins' Same Song Different Tune, earning praise for her performances. After a hiatus from the spotlight, Shelley Thunder, now a transformed individual, returned to the music scene with a focus on gospel music. Her first gospel single, The Race, released on the Catalyst label and produced by Paul Barkley, gained significant airplay in Jamaica and on local Jamaican radio stations in New York. She also released the single, The Devil Get Cuff, on the Main Street label. Shelley continues to perform, including shows in Jamaica and Antigua, while working on her upcoming singles and album. 6. Lady Anne. Barbara Smith, known as Lady Anne, was born and raised in western Kingston, Jamaica. Her early exposure to music came from attending local reggae dancehall sessions in the mid-1970s, where she listened to sound systems like Black Harmony and Solatone. Lady Anne's musical influences included artists such as Little John, Ranking Toyin, Clint Eastwood, Ranking Dillinger, Trinity, and Sugar Minott. She began her professional music career in 1978, recording songs like Plan Your Family and Shine Eye Boy for various labels. Lady Anne's breakthrough came in 1981–1982 with her hit song Informer, produced by Joe Gibbs. It became the first #1 single by a female DJ in Jamaica and propelled her to international fame. The accompanying album, also titled Informer, topped the charts as well. Lady Anne's success led to tours in the United States, Canada, and the Cayman Islands. She continued to work with renowned producers and labels, recording over 60 songs and releasing 3 full-length albums. Lady Anne's talent earned her the title of Jamaica's first female DJ of the Year in 1983. She has also performed at various music festivals, including Sting, Reggae Sumfest, and Erie Jamboree. 7. Sister Charmaine. Sister Charmaine gained notable recognition for her captivating performances at the renowned Sting stage show in Jamaica.
Now, me say me living at the ghetto and me life ain't no easy. Talk to a man and the man come use me. Take an ex-girl and the girl a take a liberty. See me on the road and the girl she a bother me just because she knows that she walking a past me.
In 1988, she showcased her talent in a thrilling clash alongside Lady Mackerel and Junie Ranks. The following year, she returned for another electrifying clash, this time sharing the stage with Lady G, Patra, and Lady P. Sister Charmaine's dynamic presence and skillful delivery left a lasting impression on the audience during these remarkable clashes. Sadly, she passed away in 2021. 8. Lady Saw. Marion Hall, formerly known as Lady Saw, is a Jamaican singer and songwriter with a career spanning over 2 decades. She gained fame as the Queen of Dancehall and was the first female DJ to achieve triple platinum certification and win a Grammy Award. Born on July 12, 1969, in Galena, St. Mary, Jamaica, Hall attended Galena Primary School during her childhood. In her teenage years, she worked as a seamstress at the Free Zone in Kingston and began performing with local sound systems at the age of 15, including the Stereo One system. Hall adopted the name, Lady Saw, in 1987, inspired by the Jamaican singer tenor Saw. Her performances caught the attention of record producers, leading to the release of her first single and subsequent hits like, If Him Left, and, Find a Good Man. In 1994, she released her debut album, Lover Girl, featuring the hit track, Stab Up de Meat. Her second album, Give Me the Reason, released in 1996, gained notoriety for its explicit sexual lyrics. The album included popular songs such as, Life Without Dick, and, Name Na Stand Fi Sex. Hall's third album, Passion, released in 1997, reached number 8 on Billboard's Top Reggae Albums chart. In 1998, Hall released her first greatest hits album, Raw, The Best of Lady Saw, followed by her fourth album, 99 Ways, in December of the same year. She achieved international success in 1999 with the hit single, Smile, recorded with Vitamin C, and in 2002 with the collaboration, Underneath It All, with Number Doubt, which won a Grammy Award. Hall continued her musical journey with albums like, Striptease, 2004, which featured the popular track, I've Got Your Man, and, Walk Out, 2007. In 2012, she announced her transition from dancehall to gospel music and released the EP, Two Man. Her gospel album, When God Speaks, was released in 2016. Known for her explicit and conscious lyrics, Hall challenged double standards in the music industry and addressed social issues through songs like, Condom, and, Freedom of Speech. She has made significant contributions to Jamaican music and remains a respected figure in the industry. Note: the information provided is a condensed summary of Marion Hall's career and does not include all details and accomplishments. 9. Tanya Stevens. Vivian Tanya Stevenson, known by her stage name Tanya Stevens, is a highly regarded Jamaican reggae singer and DJ who rose to prominence in the late 1990s. With her captivating voice and thought-provoking lyrics, she has become widely recognized for hits like, You Na Ready Fi Dis Yet, and, It's a Pity, which garnered her international acclaim. Apart from her successful music career, Stevens is also recognized as a co-founder of Tarantula Records, a venture she embarked on alongside her business partner Andrew Henton. Stevens was born on July 2, 1973, and spent her formative years in St. Mary and St. Anne, Jamaica. She attended Zion Hill and Ocho Rios primary schools before continuing her education at St. Mary High School. Growing up, she was one of 7 siblings, having 3 brothers and 3 sisters, with one sister having passed away. Her musical journey began in the mid-1990s when she started recording tracks for renowned producers such as Dave Kelly and Philip Fatties Burrell. It was her 1996 single, You Na Ready Fi Dis Yet, produced by Dave Kelly, that captured the attention of the Jamaican public and propelled her into the spotlight. Following this breakthrough, Stevens achieved further success with hit singles like, Draw Fi Am I Finger, Freaky Type, and, Cry and Ball. Her debut album, Big Things A Gwan, was released in 1994 and featured collaborations with artists like Yami Bolo on a cover version of Suzanne Vega's Tom's Diner, and President Brown on a remix of the title track. She followed up with her second album, Too Hype, in 1997. Seeking new opportunities, Stevens relocated to Sweden, where she secured a record deal with Warner Music Sweden. In 2001, she released the pop-oriented album, Syntoxicated. However, her artistic journey led her back to her Jamaican roots, and in 2004 she released the critically acclaimed album, Gangsta Blues. This project showcased her versatility and reaffirmed her standing as a prominent figure in the reggae genre. One of the highlights of Stevens' career came with the release of her album, Revolution, in August 2006. The album's first single, These Streets, achieved immense popularity and topped the charts in the Caribbean, holding the #1 spot on Tempo's chart for over 4 weeks. The album became a commercial success, selling out in Jamaica and other parts of the Caribbean. Notably, the track, Come a Long Way, paid tribute to black leaders, reflecting Stevens' commitment to addressing social issues through her music. In 2010, Stevens released Infallible, initially distributing it for free with the German magazine Rhythm before making it available for free download for over a year. Her songwriting prowess and contributions to the reggae industry were recognized in 2019 when she received an honor from the Jamaica Reggae Industry Association, JARIA. Beyond her musical achievements, Stevens has been involved in various other endeavors. In 2006, she filed a lawsuit against American rapper Lil' Kim, alleging plagiarism on Lil' Kim's song, Dirty, from the album, The Naked Truth. Stevens claimed that the lyrics of her song, Am I and Am I God, were used without permission, even imitating her distinctive West Indian accent. She further alleged that Lil' Kim had flown her to New York in 1999 to record for an album but never used her vocals. Stevens' lyrical content has evolved throughout her career. While her early material showcased dancehall-style lyrics, often drawing comparisons to fellow artist Lady Saw, she later delved into more diverse and socially conscious themes. Stevens actively addressed issues such as homophobia in dancehall music and called for more social responsibility among fellow artists. She criticized the objectification of women and the promotion of bigotry and human rights violations in her industry. Her song, Still Alive, tackled discrimination against individuals living with HIV and was featured in a television campaign addressing the issue. In 2007, Stevens received a scholarship from Resource Development International to pursue a business management degree through online studies at the University of Sunderland. Additionally, she made her acting debut in 2009, portraying Nurse Tracy in the CVM TV series, Royal Palm Estate. She also ventured into the business world, opening the restaurant, H2O, in 2009 at the Coconut Grove Shopping Center in Ocho Rios. Throughout her career, Tanya Stevens has demonstrated not only her musical talent but also her dedication to using her platform for social change. In addition to her creative pursuits, she continues to manage Tarantula Records, a label she co-founded in 2004 with Andrew Henton, overseeing the production and distribution of her own music. With her unwavering commitment to artistic expression and advocacy, Stevens remains a highly respected figure in the reggae industry and continues to leave an indelible mark on the global music scene. We can't end without mentioning Lady P. We haven't seen much information about her online, but she is known for the track Lethal Weapon and for being an awesome clash artist. Like, comment, subscribe and share. That helps out the channel. We are looking forward to creating more content for you. Blessings always.
Well, it's not the way you walk, and it's not the way you talk, and it's not your lead up car. You definitely ain't no movie star, and it's not the clothes you wear, and it's not your nappy hair, and it's not the gangsta flicks. Baby, it's all about that. Me just look on your book, look the way you want to move. It's a fair and the man them, especially the well-hung man them. Who know if we push up on the one them. Well, it's not the way you walk, and it's not the way you talk, and it's not your beat up car. You definitely ain't no movie star, and it's not the clothes you wear, and it's not your nappy hair, and it's not the gangster flex. Baby, it's all about me. Just a look on your bum, love the way you want me bum. Pandemic, tell me that to the baby. Come me love the longing down bum, love the way you want to make this girl stop. Climb up on the cabin on a big truck, have me on the top. Boy, me love the longing down, me love the longing down. So yo, you're gonna make your boy just tell us I'm telling this boy so you don't know about it. Alright, at least call him, pick up the phone and call him. So pick up the phone and call him. I'm gonna say, I guess I'm expected to say God bless you, but you left me, motherfucker, I never left you. Remember right now, can I say F you? I hope you can't live without me. Can't eat, can't sleep, can't breathe. Can't get your mind fixed up, sing about me. Can't eat, can't sleep, can't breathe. Whoa, I hope you wind up lonely. Can't eat, can't sleep, can't breathe. And then you wanna wish you could have still run hold me. Can't eat, can't sleep, can't breathe. Hey, I bet you think I'm supposed to smile, put the best outside, put on an act to protect my pride. You want me to take it like a man, but I'm a girl with pride. So if I stop up your ties, don't be too surprised. And while I'm at it, I may as well keep up your partner, cause what you did to my heart, that's an act of war. For every step you take, I'll be one step behind. Won't let you get me out of your mind. I hope you can't live without me.